Hello guys, welcome to Design and Code with MJ. Today guys, I'm doing a tutorial on a clothing label, a fashion label, but it's a label designed for a clothing collection, and it's very simple and straightforward. And the shape I'm using is love, not the regular rectangle or square shape. So you guys should watch it for it. Thank you guys. So let's get into Illustrator. So the first thing you want to do is to create a new file. Go to File and click on New. I'm going to be using 1920 pixels by 1080 pixels. Then you click on OK. So the first thing I did was I drew out two squares and selected the colors I needed. You can use any color you want or you prefer to use. Our design is in a love shape. Most fashion labels are in rectangles, but mine is in love shape. So the first thing we're going to do is to create a love shape. So hit M on your keyboard and click on your screen. A box will come up. I'm going to be using 300 pixels in the width and 300 pixels in the height, a perfect square. Once you have that done, you want to select the pen tool. No, before you select the pen tool, rotate the rectangle, the square, 45 degrees, holding down the shift and then rotate it. Then on the place where you see intersect, you want to hold an Alt and Shift with the pencil selected and drag it right up to where you want it to be. Drag the ruler down to the edge of the love. Then do the same thing for the other side where you see intersect. Holding down Alt and Shift, you drag it to meet the edge of the other ruler. And there we have you guys, a perfect love shape. To create the inner love shape, hit Ctrl C on your keyboard and hit Ctrl F after. Then holding down Alt and Shift, scale it down right to the middle. Then you select the other color that you preferably want to use. Select them all and align it in the middle. You can readjust the love shape to how you want it to be. Once you're satisfied to how it looks like, you want to scale it up and make it bigger. So what you want to do now is write out your text. What I simply did with my text was MJ Fashion Collection, but you can write whatever you want. The first text I'm going to write is MJ, and I'm going to scale it up a little bigger. The font I used is Mostardo, and you're going to find all the font I used in the description below. I didn't really choose a specific color for my font, but I'm just going to use white. But you can use any color you choose. The next thing I'm going to do is type out fashion, and I'll be using the font Pacifico Regular, also in the description below. And the last text I'm going to be typing out is collection, and I'm using the font OCR -B10 BT, also in the description below. So what I did for the collection was I made it a little bit smaller. And I opened up the character panel and increased the length, how wide, and the letter spacing to make it match the design aspect. Then I selected all of them and aligned them vertically, and then I selected them all again and scaled it right up to make it more bigger. Try and adjust it to match the love shape and make it look pleasing to your eyes. Once you're done with this design, guys, you can try out different things with it. You can try using the direct selection tool and then distorting the love shape into something more different. If you're enjoying watching this tutorial, guys, please do not forget to hit that subscribe button to stay tuned to more tutorials that I'm going to be doing. I'm doing two tutorials weekly, so you guys shouldn't miss one. If you made a mistake while distorting the love, hit Ctrl Z to go back to your last step. Once you're through with your design, guys, it's very good to duplicate it and try out different colors that matches and making it look more beautiful, and resolving some errors you maybe did in your last design. Maybe the font was too big, maybe the color didn't match. Just try out different things to work on how the design look and making it look better. Play around with it and have fun with your design however you want it. If you did enjoy this tutorial, guys, do subscribe for more videos and hit that bell to get notified when I post my videos. And also, guys, as I said earlier, I'll be doing videos 2 times a week because I have school and school is almost starting, and because of my time, so you guys have to bear with me. Anytime I have free time or spare time, guys, I'm gonna be doing 3 videos or probably videos every day. So guys, do